I'm making eggshell powder for my pepper and tomato plants today, and I'm doing it out in my garage because the powder kind of flies everywhere. So just take your used eggshells, make sure they're cleaned and dried out, put them in a blender, and you get a super fine powder. This is why I do it in the garage. Just keep grinding until you get to the consistency that you want. And here is the finished product. I use this for all of my plants that need an extra calcium boost, or when I'm trying to revive old potting soil, I'll mix this in with some worm castings, some coffee grounds, some banana peels that are dried that I powdered up as well. And so I use it as my own homemade fertilizer. Absolutely love it.